Be ready. Start. 24 hours must pass before New Year's Day really comes to an end and dies in the last of the 24 divisions store. The 1st of January lives for 48 hours store. But while the 1st of January has been continuing its life in this way, the 2nd of January has been continuing its life in this way. The 2nd of January has been moving round the world. Stop. The first hour of the 2nd of January reaches the last division just as the 24th hour of the 1st of January dies, and at the same moment the 3rd of January begins in the 1st division store. And so we are faced with the strange truth that while a day lasts 48 hours, there is between the 1st and 3rd of January no break at all. Stop. People in one country can hear 5 hours back coming to them over the air, hearing in the evening something that is happening in the afternoon in another country. Stop. And the people of that country can have the equally remarkable experience of hearing 5 hours forward. Stop. They can hear the people of another country seeing the new year in while it is for them the early evening of the last day of the old year. Stop. And if we are covering a long distance by ship, we have the experience of finding that a certain day can last only 23 hours or for as long as 25 hours. Stanza. This is the story which my friend sometimes tells on a long summer evening as we sit together by the open window, finding pleasure in the sweet clean air after the still heat of the day. Stanza. In those days I was an even better walker than I am today, and as you know, I still very much like a good quick walk. Well, on that particular August morning, I set out quite early before the day was too warm for easy walking. Stop. I carried with me enough food to meet my small needs and was therefore able to keep away from town of any kind. Stop. I was healthy in the way that the young are healthy, and I walked with quick, easy steps, covering the first 8 miles of the road in just under 2 hours. Stop. But with the increasing warmth of the day, my rate fell little by little until in the full heat of the day I found that I was doing very little more than 2.5 miles an hour. Stop. Even the small additional weight of the food I was carrying troubled me, and as it was by this time several hours since my last meal, it seemed reasonable that I should look out for a place where I could rest and have a meal in peace. Stop. After a time I reached a point where the road comes very near. Full stop. Over.